Hello, continuing with worded problems in sets. Now, there are more than one ways of evaluating unknown quantities within sets. Alright, we shall be using the same work example that we just was working with. Continue. Alright, so we are looking at this work example here. This is the same work example that we were working on previously. Alright, you see the survey in the sporting club with 37 members, and you have people who are playing volleyball and hockey. 18 persons who playing volleyball, 15 persons who playing hockey, and I have X persons playing both. I have 3 X numbers who do not play volleyball or hockey. Alright, so the Venn diagram still remains the same. Part B is an alternative solution, and we shall examine this. Before we get to part B, we shall examine the Venn diagram first. Alright, continuing, we have our Venn diagram here. Alright, so the universal set contains all the elements. This contains 37 members. Here's set A, which represents volleyball, and here's set B, which represents hockey. Alright, so we know that the numbers who play both are X. Right, we have 18 members who play volleyball. Right, so this region here is 18 minus X, and this region here represents the hockey only people who play hockey only. So 15 people play hockey, so it's really 15 minus X. 3X here represents the people who do not play hockey or volleyball. Alright, that's this region here, 3X. Alright, so we know all the elements within this universal, within this set here, must add up to 37. So you see 18 minus X plus 15 minus X plus 3X, we must add up back to 37. Continue. So we have an alternative solution for part B. Now this alternative solution relies on this formula. Now elements of U is equal to number of elements of A union B plus number of elements of A union B complement. The A union B complement represents 3X. Number of elements of U is readily 37. Number of elements of A union B, everything that lies in between. Alright, so everything that lies in between A and B falls within A union B. And that will be 18 minus X plus 15 minus X plus 3. Alright, that will be A union B. 3X represents the A union B complement region. Alright, we do this and simplify everything. Alright, so we know I have 37 members in this universal set. All the elements within the universal set must add up to 37. That is this piece here, 37. Alright, this is the assumption to everything. Alright, so we need to consider the elements of A union B and A union B complement. So for this, we look at the Venn diagram. The number of elements of A union B is really 18 minus X plus 15 minus X. And the number of elements of A union B complement is 3X. Alright, let's look at it. Alright, so this region here between A and B represents A union B. All the elements that lie between A and A to B. Alright, so number of elements of A union B is 18 minus X plus 15 minus X. Number of elements of A union B complement is 3X, that is this region here. And this is how come we end up with these two regions that we're going to add and then subtract from 37. So upon examination of the Venn diagram, we end up getting this thing. 18 minus X plus 15 minus X. This is the number of elements of A union B. The number of elements of A union B complement is really 3X. So we combine these two, this must add up back to 37. So we add this up here, this must give it back 37 elements. Right, after all this exists inside of the universal set. Simplifying, you get 37 is equal to 33 plus 2X equal to 2. Alright, so this represents another method, another approach to solving the unknown value of X. This represents an alternative solution for part B. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something today and enrich your life in some. Okay, have a great day, have a great life.